Oh. Is this guy recording?
Right here.
Through the coke and then
I want him arrested now.
Okay.
10 for no. 10 guys. Going to be the First Amendment auditors.
Oh, they're auditors?
The victims.
You know, intimidate eating. I'm trying to get them to go away. I apologize. I don't want to be intimidated and be followed in my car and all these things. So I tried, because I don't want any physical trouble. I tried to scare them away. Yeah, I did not throw glass at them. No, I did not.
Okay.
I did not throw glass at them.
What up, though? Welcome to this world. Today we have that body cam footage everybody wants to see, where Psycho throws glass, gets arrested, and now we get to see it from law enforcement's perspective. If you're digging our content, feel free to give it a like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all. Go ahead and drop us a comment and tell us what you thought about this. We'd love to hear your thoughts. But before we get into it, let's do a quick recap of what happened, what led up to it from our perspective. Enjoy the story, and we'll see you in the next one. WTTW out.
Bitch.
I didn't even know he was here.
He was sitting there staring at me.
Oh, we got a super chat from somebody. Sassy
got it,
Kisses,
Sassy.
Doobie on the way.
Look at this fool.
We'll get a
Look at this
tarantula.
fool.
Super 20th super chat, Sassy. Thank you.
Wow, Sassy made the 20th super chat we've ever had. Cool.
That's my girl right there.
Oh, I missed him. So triggered. And you
Yes,
weren't
look
even.
for some
Oh,
Mountain
cam back.
Light Coke.
Cam back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So triggered, and you weren't even looking at him.
No, I was looking over them. They weren't even on my screen. Neither one of them was on it. That's the hilarious part.
Uh,
Huh. You got a big group of people over there.
oh, yeah.
What, 5 of them?
I don't know, a bunch of them.
Hey, Lemmy.
Ready, fight.
Oh, cam back over there, too.
Well,
Yeah.
oh, yeah, I don't see it.
Okay, here we
Oh,
go,
yeah,
here we
she
go.
flipped us off.
Here we go, rock and roll.
Oh,
Ooh!
look at that skull!
Ooh!
Oh, look at that skull! The skull!
Come here, bitch.
A
Come here!
skull! Oh, so maybe each department has a different. I just think there's something.
Oh, do not let him leave. Whatever. Okay, there he goes. He's going in cuffs right now. There he is. That's what we want to see, y'all. Accountability. Accountability for your actions. Yeah. That's what we want to see. No, they didn't. They got him in cuffs, and I'm proud of them for that. Okay. Perp walk. Perp walk right there.
Start video.
Please tell me the location. 607 Mount Boulevard, cars are gonna head there. 180 West 9 Mile. I was searching up one male wearing a red hat, a red flannel, hard looking the Marine.
627's pulling up.
Start of video's gonna be the purple building and love. He's right there. The red hat.
Oh. Is this guy recording?
The man in the green hat right here at
Yep,
that booth.
just
He
threw this
came out
glass at me right here.
through the coke and then
I want
threw
him
the
arrested
glass.
now.
Okay.
Come to jail,
Got
buddy.
parts.
Hello. Hello, officer. Hi, so my name is...
610 for now. It's going to be the First Amendment auditors.
Oh, they're auditors?
The victims.
Oh. Okay, so my name is Cole. Me and my fiance drove here to go eat at this restaurant. We're not from here, we're from Riverview. And these people show up with their cameras and are doing gestures and like making, you know, everyone's looking at them and I feel they're looking at me and I feel intimidated eating. And I'm trying to get them to go away and they won't. And they have MAGA hats and they're flipping me off and they're being kind of aggressive. So I go outside and again, I apologize. I don't have a criminal record. I don't want to get... I apologize. I don't want to be intimidated and be followed in my car and all these things. So I tried because I don't want any physical trouble. I tried to scare him away, and I shouldn't have done that. I apologize. This is a really good establishment. These people said they harassed them before. I'm really not trying to cause any trouble. I swear.
You said that you were just trying to scare them away.
Yeah, and I that's all I was trying to do. I'm not interacting at all.
We'll start with this.
Huh?
Is your ID on you?
Oh yes, yes. And I did not know they were First Amendment auditors. I've never heard of that. I don't know what that is. To me, they were just people harassing this establishment and intimidating me.
Cole?
Yes, my name is Cole.
We're down at the court too.
What
They were
happened?
protesting and they were harassing everyone.
Okay.
They were
Thank you,
harassing
sir.
people stopped at the lights. They were in their windows.
Okay.
This is something that we quite frequently do.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that.
No, I appreciate it.
I really don't. Normally, I don't have a problem with people. I don't care really if it's me, but harassing people is just not.
I understand. That's just something that we have to deal with.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
you went outside.
Yes.
And you said that you felt harassed and that you're trying to scare them away.
Yes. So.
During the interaction, what happened?
So I was drinking a glass of Coca-Cola and I was at this restaurant. And like I said, I didn't want to, physically touch them or get whatever because there's 3 of them with me. I don't want to fight anybody. I get my drink and I just do this to, get them to go away. And the glass goes like this out of my hand, falls and breaks. And then they go, oh, that's assault. I'm calling the cops. They're pointing at me and doing this. And I'm like, I'm just trying to get you to go away. I'm not trying to fight you.
Did you splash a drink on them?
I towards them. I was not trying to hit anybody. I was just trying to get them to go away.
How far away from you were they when you did that?
They were where they're standing, and I was about, I was at the door, and they were right there. They were a little closer because they were trying to meet up
So
with
is
me.
that like 10 feet? Is that less? Give me a
That was
back.
10 feet? Maybe, I'm not.
Okay, so you were at the door and you threw them out.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get close to them. I'm kind of scared of them. Those people, First Amendment people, are kind of weird, and I don't want to get myself hurt. So I'm just trying to get them to go away. And
And I missed the first part. What were they doing that upset you?
they had their cameras right up against the glass, and they were motioning, and I looked at them, and they
To
started
you
looking
or
at
just
me.
in general?
Huh?
To you or just the inside?
They were doing it to everybody in the restaurant, and then I looked at them and was like, "What are you doing?" And then since I engaged with them, they locked on me and started getting their camera low down so they could get me and my fiance, and they started gesturing at me, and I was like, "Go away," and tell them to go away, and started flipping me off and everything. So they're all giddy. I'm just my day off of work. I'm just trying to have something to eat.
Did you throw the...
No, I didn't throw a
Actual-
cup at them. The cup hit the ground. I threw the drink to scare them, and then the cup flew out of my hand. 'cause I was
So the
turning
cup came out of your hand?
Yeah, I did not
And
throw
then-
glass at them. No, I did not. I
Okay.
did not throw glass at them.
Okay.
Yeah, it was. It
But
was
you were
just.
trying to
I was
throw
trying
it
to throw the
on the
drink.
ground.
Yes,
Okay.
I wasn't trying to throw a glass at them. I was trying to throw the drink, and the glass slipped out of my hand. Because then they started coming towards me. So I was like, oh, and I went back inside because I don't
Okay.
want anybody. I don't want to get hurt.
All right.
What's your phone number, Cole?
Huh?
Phone number.
I swear, officer, we're just trying to have dinner. I was not trying to assault anybody. They were harassing me and the patrons, and I just wanted them to go away, and I won't, and I'm not, that's the only time I did not interact with them beyond that. I went inside, then I called you guys. because I didn't want any more trouble. I didn't want it to escalate. So I just, we're gonna leave in a little bit to, go home, and we're gonna get out of here.
I got you.
Okay, I really,
Just give us a few moments.
Okay. I'll just sit here, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, he's a nice person. He's a nice. Oh, we have a good.
Thank you. If it's possible, could I have some escort to my car?
We're not even at that point yet.
Okay.
So,
Alright, no problem.
we're not, you can sit there, right, but we're not even just yet.
That's okay, yeah, okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. No, it's okay. It's nothing to do with you. It's not your fault. It's okay.
Where's Polly? Oh, he went back to the other. We're gonna be 15.
Already good.
Yes, 100%. I just wanted to go to the video. Come here for a second. Okay, so I know you said you threw the glass,
Yeah.
or you threw the liquid and the glass slipped out of your hand, but it's on video of you throwing the glass.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. I'm not trying to lie to you. I was in a heated
You are
passion.
under arrest for assault.
Okay.
Go ahead and turn around. This officer's gonna place you under arrest, okay?
Put your hands together like you're praying for me.
Sure. Hey, Reese, can you call my dad?
Do you have any personal belongings?
I have my phone in my wallet, and
Just be advised, it'll be 15 at one.
can you please call my father? Thank you. Like, tell him it's an emergency. Thank you. Tell him to.
What property do you want home with you? Do you want your wallet?
Can I please have my wallet and my phone with me, please? Thank you. I need the
Those aren't too tight for you, Cole.
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay. Thank you so much.
Yep.
I apologize for this. I'm. You know my dad's number, right, Reese?
Okay.
Okay, we got what we need?
Yep.
Actually, wait. I'm sorry. One thing. Can you? Is he gonna answer? You might need to call
You
his.
can call the station for further information. We're going now.
Okay. Just guide me, thank you.
We're gonna go to this car right here, okay?
Okay.
We're just go to the front. I just gotta search you.
Sure, no problem, yeah.
You don't have anything on you, do you?
Nope, I got in my wallet. I'm in my pocket.
Alright, just face this.
No.
Alright, just spread your feet for me.
Sure. Thank you for being so kind to me.
Yep.
I really appreciate it. I hope
It's not an ideal situation, but
I know you
kind of
guys
explain
gotta
what's gonna happen, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna take you back to our station, alright? We're gonna put you through your radio and everything like that. You're not allowed to call somebody. Okay? Let's go from there.
Alright, my dad's non-work number is in my cell phone, so I might
We'll be
need
able
to
to
get
get
it.
that to you.
Okay, thank you.
Just put them on the side.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, it doesn't swipe.
Yeah. Good to go.
627 for no.
Yeah.
I'll be 15 with the ops I sent in.
That work.
When we get to the station, I just need to make a call to my father if my fiance has it already.
Yeah, so hear me out. Okay? If you work with us, we'll work with you. All right? We got to book you in. We got to photograph you and fingerprint you. After that's done, you'll work with us, let us do that. Then there'll be an opportunity to make a phone call, okay?
I work with you guys as much as yes. I really.
Yeah, no, you've been cool with us so far and everything like that. It's just.
I really want to iterate. As you can tell by looking at my stuff, I don't have a record. I'm not a violent person. I felt threatened, and I'm really sorry. I know you guys are police. I apologize too, but I don't. You know what I mean? I'm really sorry, you guys.
Ferndale Open Security.
Just in the future, when you call it that you're 15 with somebody, so it'd be like 610 Ferndale, so go ahead. 1015 with one, or A and B, or whatever the charge is, just so they can update their board and everything like that. And the lieutenant that's on the desk has a reasonable idea of what's going on.
Okay.
WTTW out.